Good morning, YouTube. This is Chuck Reynolds, and I welcome you back to my channel. I've been gone for about a week in South Dakota. The temperature there, I think, is the same as it is here, except for this morning. A little cold this morning. It's 31 degrees here, and it will be 60 something by this afternoon. So all is good. So anyhow, what we're going to do today is, if you've been watching my last probably 5 videos, they've all been on pours, but we weren't making anything except bars. So today's going to be a little different. Let me get set up and I'll be right back. All right, guys. So what we're going to do today, if you look on this side of the bench, there's the mold here, and there's another small mold here, and that's a heart-shaped mold. So what we're going to do is use the electric foundry here, and we're going to do an aluminum pour. This is, again, extruded aluminum. This will be the starting aluminum, and this is left over from my last aluminum pour, and this will finish it up. And I think I'm about 9.8 ounces here. This will hold about 8 ounces, and this will hold, I'm guessing this is going to hold less than 2, maybe 1 ounce. But we're going to do this heart mold. I'll heat it and get the moisture out of it, and that's what this is set up to do. Let me show you a little bit more about that. All right, guys, I'm going to do an initial preheat here. I just hit these real quick just a little bit ago, and I'm going to do the MAP gas now to warm up the fire brick, which is, it's just barely warm because it's 50 degrees in here, and outside it's 31. So it's going to heat up slower this morning. I think I'm at 160 degrees C on the electric foundry. So I'm going to heat this with MAP gas for right now, and we'll get after it. See where we're at here. 346 across there. Fire bricks at 132, and foundry's at 206. So we're getting there. Be back. All right, guys, we've been right at 15 minutes. I'm at 348, 349. We're about 350, so I'm almost halfway there. It's probably going to take 25 to 30 minutes to heat this, especially being as cold as it is here in the shop. But we'll just bear with it, and we'll do this first load of aluminum. You probably can't see over there. Let's go real easy. I'll just move you over here. We'll move this first load of aluminum. It's thinner. I may preheat that a little bit so it doesn't cool us too much. And then we'll go to the next one. This is the thicker stuff, and that'll be the final. So anyhow, we're, we still got about 400 degrees to go. So I'll be back when I got something else good to show you. All right, guys, we're about 35 minutes. We're at 688. And yeah, about 35 minutes. So I'm going to preheat the aluminum again. I've been preheating all along here. And then we'll go ahead and put the starter aluminum in first. And then we'll just keep going from there. All right, that's the plan. I'll be back. We're over 750. Just preheated that aluminum. And we are going to put it in. So let's do this. These are just thin pieces we want to put in to get started. It is all extruded. This is all extruded aluminum. You'll probably see the tip drop a little bit. No, that's still going up. Where's good? Where good? Okay, now we're at 760, right where I want to be. And we'll start preheating this other aluminum. And what I've been doing is, you can't see, but I'll show you here. Let me move you really slowly over here. What I've been doing is putting the aluminum on the fire brick here with the molds. And that keeps it block on its 340 degrees C. The mold is a little less. And that was 250 degrees C. They've been sitting a little while. So I'll do that again. I'll put this aluminum back up here. Where that comes from. Hope I don't melt. All right. So I'll preheat it there. And as soon as that melts over there, see it's dropped down now. If you look here, let me get you closer. Since I put the aluminum in, see we're down to 757 now when we were at 760. Not a problem. We'll wait till that comes back up to 760. Do a stir and then check it to see where we're at with melting and be back. So we're back up to temp, and we'll put these big chunks in. Hopefully I can do it with these gloves on. Do this little one first. There, sorry about that. Back here, maybe. Now those were over 300 degrees C when I put them in, so they should melt rather quickly. And then we'll start preheating these and preheating the molds again. Then we'll change from MAP gas to regular propane and heat this whole mess up again. We are 760. It really lowered the temperature. I'm down to 746 now, which is still okay. I'm over the 660. I like to be 100 degrees over. Another little preheat. This will be the second one. Set, stir. It is liquid. Back up. We'll preheat this one some more and change to the other model, put it in the rack, and start preheating both these molds. That's the plan. Okay. All right, guys. I got the aluminum hot. This last piece, I'm getting the mold on the stand. So, do another quick stir. Oh, it's too cold. Go fast as melting. Be back. All right, guys, we're ready to pour. I'm going to let the torch run. All right. Man, that came out of there quick. We'll see what that looks like here in a little bit. The bar looks okay. This I had the overflow. Yeah, that's hot. That's hot. So, turn it over. There you go. I knew you could do it. Get you off of there. So I need to get some water and we will be back. All right, guys, that's been sitting a couple minutes, so I'll try to get these out of here again. That one looks like it might come out. Yep. Pour this guy in there also. Now I might mess with this one a little bit to get it out of there. He's gonna have to sit for a while and get him out. But this one is cool enough. Another nice bar. Boy, I like that extruded aluminum. We're doing pours. Good stuff. Well, this one's pretty dirty. I don't know why. This will be a remelt. That's still hot. Okay. All right, guys. So that's gonna be it for that one. And I'm gonna wait for just a little bit here and try to get that one out of the other mold and see what that looks like. Be back. All right, guys. So here we are. a 7-ounce aluminum bar. Got all the black off it, and I just wire wheeled them. That's all I did there. I haven't done anything with the heart yet. The heart itself is shaped pretty good. It might take some little bit on the edges here and just cut this off. That's not a big deal. But so I think it's a successful pour. I'm gonna have to weigh that and see what that weighs, because I had way too much aluminum. I'm surprised because I only had like 9 ounces. This is 7. And this must only be an ounce. And I can't even be an ounce. Anyhow, enough with me arguing with myself. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, come back again. Give it a great comment. And thanks so much for watching, especially these experiments like this one. God bless, brothers.